Hey everyone! Today I'm showing how to quickly restore a WordPress site using HostArmada's JetBackup 5. We start on the live site, front end. Here I'm on page 3 of our blog. Now you can see the posts, but let's pretend those posts got accidentally deleted. We'll delete them on purpose and then restore everything in a flash to see how easy it is. Now let us delete 3 posts with images. First, Surfshark VPN Review 2025. Second, how to choose the best VPN. And third, Quillbot discount 40% off. In the WordPress dashboard now, I'm in the WordPress admin area. I go to Posts, select those 3 posts, and hit Delete. I also empty the trash just to make sure they're gone. Technically, empty trash removes them completely, which is safe since we have backups. This is simulating the worst case. No posts and images on the site. All right, let's check the site. Back on the blog page, I refresh page 3, and yep, the posts are gone. It's empty here now. But don't worry, we're about to bring it all back in seconds. This is exactly the situation JetBackup is for, recovering lost files and database entries with one click. From the HostArmada client area, I've opened the cPanel for my website. Inside cPanel, scroll to the Files section and look for JetBackup 5. HostArmada includes JetBackup 5 with all plans, so it's already available here. Let's click JetBackup 5 to continue. Here's the JetBackup dashboard. You'll see some stats and shortcuts. Importantly, because I'm on the Speed Reaper plan, it shows I have 21 daily backups available. That means every day for the last 21 days is stored, plenty of history. If you had a lower plan, it'd be fewer days. This is the retention window we have to restore from. Since the posts and their featured images were deleted, we need to restore 2 things. The home directory will restore the images and website files, while the database will restore the post content. First, let's restore the site files. Click the home directory option. This is used to restore all the website files stored in your hosting account. Here you'll see a list of all the available home directory backups with their backup dates. Select the backup you want to restore. After selecting it, click Select Files to view the files included in that backup. In this case, I'm selecting all the files including the public_HTML folder, since our WordPress site is located there. Once selected, scroll down and click Restore Selected Items. Next, JetBackup will show the restore options. Here I'm choosing Merge Backup Data with Live Account Data, and then clicking Restore Selected Items again to start the restore process. After that, JetBackup adds the restore task to the queue and begins the process. You can see the progress here, starting with pre-restore actions and then restoring the files step by step. In this case, the restore process completed successfully in about 52 seconds. Now let's restore the database, which brings back the post content. Click on Databases. Here you may see multiple databases, especially if you have installed different applications. In my case, I have WordPress, Joomla, and OpenCart, so several databases are listed. Since we want to restore the WordPress site, I'll select the WordPress database. Once you click on the database, JetBackup will display the available backup dates for that specific database. Otherwise, the interface only shows the latest backup by default. Now, choose the backup date you want to restore. After selecting the date, click on the WordPress database again to highlight it, which enables the restore option. Then click Restore and confirm by selecting Restore Selected Items. JetBackup will now begin restoring the database, and you can monitor the progress in the queue section. In this case, the database restoration completed successfully in about 21 seconds. Now that the files and database have been restored, our website should be back to its previous state. However, we need to clear the cache so the restored changes appear immediately. Since the restore process logged me out of WordPress, I'll log in again. From the HostArmada client area, I'll open Softaculous and access the WordPress admin dashboard. Once inside WordPress, go to the LiteSpeed Cache plugin, open the Toolbox section, and click Purge All. This clears the cached pages stored by the plugin, ensuring the latest restored version of the site is shown. Next, we'll also clear the server-side cache. Go back to cPanel and click on the Tools option on the left side of the panel and search for LiteSpeed. Here you'll see LiteSpeed Web Cache Manager, which is available because HostArmada's WP Reaper plan servers run on LiteSpeed. Open it, scroll to Flush LS Cache and click Flush All. This clears the server-level cache, so the freshly restored website content becomes visible immediately. Now back on the front end, I'll reload page 3 of the website. And there we go. The posts and their feature images are fully restored. This shows how easy it is to recover a website using HostArmada's JetBackup 5 backups. In about a minute, restoring the files and the database brought everything back exactly as it was before. That's it. This is how you can easily restore your website using JetBackup 5 on HostArmada. If you want to learn more about HostArmada, including performance, features, and pricing, check out my full HostArmada review linked in the description below. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more web hosting and WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.